Welcome back to Learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the Introduction to PHP Functions section. This is parameters. Functions that do exactly the same thing every time they run can save us from having to repeat code in our programs, but functions can do more. In the beginning of this lesson, we wrote a greet learner function that printed the same friendly greeting every time it was invoked. That's okay, we guess, but what we'd really like is to print a customized greeting. We can accomplish this by using parameters. When we define a function, we can also define parameters. A parameter is a variable which serves as a placeholder throughout the function's code block. When the function is invoked, it's invoked with a specific value. As the computer executes the function, it replaces each occurrence of the parameter with the value that was passed in. The actual value passed in is known as an argument. Let's look at an example. We have function say custom hello takes in a name. We then echo hello with the name that was passed in. Say custom hello with I'll never tell passed in, print hello I'll never tell. Say custom hello with Codecademy learner passed in, print hello Codecademy learner. In the code above, we define the say custom hello function. It has a name parameter. We invoke the function twice. The first time we passed in I'll never tell as the argument. During that invocation, the function assigned I'll never tell to name, so hello I'll never tell was printed. The second time we invoked the function with the argument Codecademy learner, so name was assigned that value and hello Codecademy learner was printed. Let's get some parameter practice. Our instructions say write a function increase enthusiasm which takes in a string parameter and returns that string appended with an exclamation mark. Let's do that now. Let's run that. We do pass. 2 says use echo to print the result of invoking your increase enthusiasm function with a string of your choice. Let's do that here. Let's run it. We do pass. 3 says write a function, repeat 3 times, which takes in a string parameter and returns that string repeated 3 times without introducing characters which didn't appear in the original string. Let's do that now. Let's run that. We do pass. 4 says use echo to print the result of invoking your repeat 3 times function with a string of your choice. Let's do that here. Run it. We do pass. 5 says ready for a little trickiness. Use echo to print the result of invoking your increase enthusiasm with the result of invoking repeat 3 times as the argument passed into increase enthusiasm. You can choose any string you like for the argument to repeat 3 times. Let's do that here. Let's run it. And we do pass, and it does print out as we expected. We get our Bob with exclamation point. We get hi 3 times, and then we get hello, 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 with the exclamation point there at the end. So what we're learning here, parameters, is when we write a function, we can provide parameters, which parameters a variable which serves as a placeholder throughout our function's code block. When we invoke the function, it's invoked with whatever we pass in as an argument to our function. Anywhere in our code where the parameter exists will be replaced by the value that's passed in. As long as you're understanding that, you guys are getting parameters, and I'll see you in the next lesson.